Explosive Mix.
Since the day I discovered that you were my girl. Since the day I knew that you were in my world. My feet couldn't walk, my tongue couldn't talk. I was struggling to breathe. Oh, girl, but you were right.
Yes, guys. This sound is coming from John Delinger. This is a reggae music itself. You know, the most fortunate part today is John Delinger is right here with me, not connecting with him over WhatsApp or what. He's right here, John Delinger. Yeah.
When I blow this trumpet. Yeah, Rasta, big up AfroZim Radio. We love you guys. Easy. Agemenon in the house.
Agemenon in the house. This is the
Agemenon.
studio, right? No, I love that. I love the sound. You know, like when you do rock and roll, and you're doing my piano, and also now reggae music,
you know,
and soul music.
Yeah. It's a black thing, you know what I'm saying?
No, I love that. I love that. Personally, I love that. I love your sound all the time. You know,
it does to keep it real, man. You know, it's music. Music has no color. Music must transcend color and skin and religion and everything. Music is actually our God. If there ever is a real God that you can talk to, is music.
Let's get to music right now.
Easy.
We don't want to get into some conspiracy theories right now on the AfroZim Radio all the time. You know, like I want to say, because you know me and you, we've got a very personal relationship, guys. You know, I'm gonna play this sound. You know, from John. John, you can talk to the fans on the AfroZim Radio when I'm looking for this sound for you. But for now, this is your chance, you know, like connecting with you. But the last interview that we had, it was perfect, eh?
It was.
Yeah, I did actually enjoy it myself, right?
Yeah.
But remember, AfroZim Radio, UK boss, Selected Don Blast, DJ
Respect.
10, much respect. You know, C. John, DJ Nisha.
DJ
I
Nisha.
love yes. As well, Goofas, you know, a lot of people like Diego, you know, a lot of artists have been interacting with us right here on the AfroZim Radio, and I love the love, you know. I feel at home, you know. I feel at home.
Much warmth to all the Zimbabweans and everybody out there.
Yeah.
Keep it real. The love for the motherland is always real.
Nice one. All right, so let's start this one from the top.
DJ Agemenon.
You said close the windows. Whatever you were talking about already.
Oh, it's a love thing.
You've got an idea. That's all right. That's all right. So we're gonna start it over. This is a surprise artist, guys, on the AfroZim Radio right now. This is DJ Agemenon, and I love to do that all of the time. You know, like bringing artists all the time to the radio, and it's just a massive. And I love to do that, and I love it when I do it. Again, let's do it.
Since the day I discovered that you were my girl. Since the day I knew that you were in my world. My feet couldn't walk, my tongue couldn't talk. I was struggling to breathe. Oh, girl, but you were right here with me now, right by my side. I'll make love to you till there is no more time. Close the window, let the sun shine through. Close the curtain, and I will show you what I'll do. my place. How the sun is shining on your face. Oh yeah. Your eyes are closed and you're breathing slow. That's the way how I know. Your dream was short and you saw me there. That's the reason why I stare. Oh, close the window, let the sun shine through. Oh, girl, close the curtain, and I'll show you what I'll do. Oh yeah. So kiss me now, hold me close, and never, ever, ever let me go. Let me go. Never will I hold you, it's already no. Never will I kiss you, my heart is gone. Oh, go.
Right, guys. I've been having so many interviews with John Delinger right here on the AfroZim radio all of the time. But the good thing about today, the difference is the artist is actually here with me physically in his physical form with DJ Agemenon. So yes, I know there's a lot about his music. The versatility is so versatile. He's so versatile. This is a versatile artist that I'm talking about, and he's done a lot. But he's more of a rock and roll musician, and we spoke about. I'm going to talk to him about that when we spoke about what happened with an interview that he had back in 2017. Now we'll speak about it right now on the AfroZim radio. Big out to yourself, select the damn blast. Big out to yourself, DJ Teddy. You know, I'll have to see that. How am I sounding there, my producers? This is my sensor. He said he's teaching me Kung Fu. Right, that's massive.
Your eyes are closed and you're breathing slow. That's the way how I know. Your dream was short and you saw me there. That's the reason why I stare. Oh, close the window, let the sun shine through. Oh, girl, close the curtain, and I'll show you what I'll do. Oh yeah. So kiss me now, hold me close, and never, ever, ever let me go. Let me go. Never will I hold you, it's already no. Never will I kiss you, my heart is gone. Oh, gone. Never will I be with you.
Hey, Mr. Brown, you wanna make something sick?
Liringwao pela morena vachithoma musa vasezembe
DJ Agemenon.
Break it off, another hot explosive mix. Bring that one back from the
Right. This is one of the sound that John Delinger did with Makazi. That was featuring Shibuya. How many views are on you now?
We're almost getting to 2.9 million, man.
Oh, that's great, eh?
Yeah.
No, I mean, it's perfect to be working with the lady of the moment.
African
right?
queen.
Yeah, she's the African queen. You know, I love the story about Makazi. I respect it because she actually said that at some point she had to walk to do these road shows.
It's an African story, man. You know.
Yeah, it's an African story. Yeah, and
So-
how did she find you?
See, it's you know, somehow, you know, when you are looking for perfection and when you're looking for wanting to be at that level, you know how it is. God just prepares you, even if you're in different countries.
Yeah.
You're just prepared. So somehow God was preparing Makazi and also preparing me in the eventuality of fullness of time. Then we meet, So it was through Mr. Brown in any case.
Yes, exactly. Like you have mentioned Mr. Brown
Mr.
right
Brown
now,
is the one
okay?
who brought us through,
Then I need to understand the relationship between yourself and Mr. Brown and Makazi and how because I know myself.
Okay, yes, Mr. Brown, yeah.
Mr.
Brown is a Zim boy. And,
from Zimbabwe.
Yeah, from Zimbabwe. He's an awesome guitarist, awesome artist, awesome producer. We never met. We actually come from Kwekwe. I'm from Kwekwe, he's from Gweru. But we never met when we were in Zim. We only met here.
Okay.
We only met in South Africa.
How many kilometers are there from Kwekwe to Kweru? Like, is it 55?
Boom. Yeah, that's like very short. But somehow our souls were almost the same. But we could not meet. But you know how God does it? He makes you meet somewhere else far away. So it was actually more of a spiritual connection that, you're actually my homeboy. But God has prepared us to meet here. So that's how he's also working with the open mind.
Oh, no, he's doing great, Mr. Brown. So,
he's done stuff with
he's done stuff with Makazi. There's a sound that he did with Makazi. I'm gonna play here right now. I do apologize, guys. Gonna have to change the genre, and I love to do that all of the time because this is what DJ Agemenon always love to do all the time.
Babylon be still.
Yeah. So with me right now in the studio is John Delinger. That's something else. That's perfect. So I'm gonna play this sound that he did actually with Makazi, and they're doing great with that one. Like they're going towards 3 million views on YouTube. That's massive, my brother. Thank you very much. To have you in my studio is a blessing all the time.
It's an honor to be with Agemenon. He's the man.
Agi. That's great. That's great.
Hey, Mr. Brown, you wanna make something sick?
Ndiringwawo phela murena vachithoma muswa vasezenne zvino ngwawo phela murena vachithoma muswa vathomengane bachithoma muswa basezembe zwino ṅwaha
Right. Johnny, you know what? This is something perfect. You know, I love it. You know, I just love it so much. Ziwi, right? But I've got a personal question that I need to ask you.
Yeah, ndiye kuti chi
Wadautaura ndini nechishoona ba.
mai wangu mukarangasa.
Inini manje ndinobve kuchipinge manje ndotaura chindau. But anyway, let's converse in language that most people would understand. You know, so this is DJ Agemenon right now with John Delinger, not on the phone, but right here in the studio on AfroZim Radio right now with me.
Yeah.
Yes, exactly. So tell me something. The question is, why did you choose John Delinger? Right? Like John Delinger. The name itself.
Okay, the name itself.
Yes.
Well, after a while, when I was searching for a name, you can't call your real name for your company, because then eventually something socially goes bad with you, then you have killed the company. So I had to find another name that is not John Jazzy. My original name is John Jazzy, John Bachi, Johnny. So now the company is called John Delinger. So this is the idea, because then John Delinger can be anything. Can be country, can be rock, can be mapiano.
Yeah, but you know what I'm talking about when I talk about.
Oh, okay. So, the Delinger, from where we got it from that American guy who was the gangster.
Exactly, that's what I'm saying. Like,
the idea
it's a difficult question, right?
No, it ain't difficult.
No.
The idea is, the guy was a gangster, but we are saying now we are bringing a guitar machine gun. So we're not using the real gun now.
Okay.
We're going to rob people's souls.
Oh, so that's the machine gun. That's
Yes, the music.
Oh, the music now. Okay, now that it makes sense now. If you know, I didn't actually understand it, right? Because I was always been for a very long time like wondering why you came up with John Delinger, because he was a gangster.
Yeah.
That is a fact, right?
But he was a good guy. He's like a Robin Hood. Robbing for the hood. You see, you rob, you give back to the hood.
That is another thing. That's for another day.
Okay.
That we can discuss. You know, me and you, we always fight over these things, right?
I understand.
Right?
Yeah.
But I'm happy you explained that now this is not the gun but the guitar.
Yes.
Which you play. I love when you play the acoustic guitar all the time. And I've attended how many shows? I think maybe 10.
Yes,
maybe
you've come
counting.
to-
Yes.
yes.
I've been privileged to be part of your shows most of the time.
Agemenon has been with us for a while, man.
Exactly. And the good thing is Mr. Brown.
Oh, Mr. B.
You're-
Lionel Suela.
Lionel Suela from
Lionel
Zimbabwe.
Suela is a Zim boy from Gweru.
Yes.
Loves Oliver Mtukudzi big time. He can jam any Oliver Mtukudzi anytime. And he came to be based here in South Africa, discovered by Master KG company. So Master KG is the one who signed him. Eventually, he also brought me.
Just
to
like
the
when I was discovered by AfroZim Radio as a DJ.
Yes, I was also.
This is my home. I'm at home right now.
It's an honor to be here at Agemenon's home. So we love you guys.
I love everybody here on the AfroZim, like especially the AfroZim Lounge. You know,
Yeah,
I love to do that all of the time
sure.
because we turn this show into a podcast, most of it, and I love to do that all the time. But I want to talk about Mr. Brown. I know for a fact that because me and you, we do have a relationship with him, right? But I know you are much closer to him than me, and I know for a fact that I'm going to promise the fans right here on the AfroZim. He's going to be here with us on the AfroZim Radio, Mr. Brown, because there is no song that I've not heard from Makazi that has not mentioned Mr. Brown.
Brown, yes.
You
Mr.
understand?
Brown is the
So-
producer
Exactly.
for Makazi.
And he's from Zimbabwe.
So I'm a Zimbabwe, yes.
So we are raising the flag high.
That is,
Zimbabwe
it's an
flag,
African
yeah.
energy. See,
The energy,
you're
yes.
raising any African power. We must raise, man.
That's what we love to do, you know. And I'm happy you're here with me. So Mr. Brown, he did a nice song, you know.
We are Murahu with Makati. Actually, now that is the biggest song for the first album from Makati.
How many views on that one? I think
Ooh,
maybe
it's getting to
just
10 million or
10 million
something.
views, right, on YouTube, right? And also Gomo. You know, he didn't even actually start with Gomo. He has got his other songs that I'm going to play right
Yes,
here.
I know.
And I just want to give much respect to Mr. Brown. Big up to yourself, my brother. This
Big
is
up.
DJ Agemenon.
Aye,
I'm
me.
with John Delinger right now on the AfroZim Radio on a Friday.
Merci beaucoup.
Exactly.
Sheshe.
Thank you very much.
Arigato.
Big up to yourself, Selector Tom Blaz. DJ 10 is connected right now. Trust me. Like what DJ 10 always say, he's always checking on my sound to make sure that the sound that is being produced right now and created by DJ Agemenon is as perfect as it should be on the AfroZim radio from wherever you're listening to this radio channel from. So good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody else. This is DJ Agemenon. I'm gonna play this massive sound right now from Mr. Brown. We're talking about Mr. Brown.
DJ Agemenon.
Break it off, another hot explosive mix. Bring that one back from the top.
DJ Agemenon.
Break it off, another hot explosive mix.
You know what? I'm gonna start this one from the top because John Delinger is actually disturbing me right now. He's saying, "Kutanzi, vapeza ufu." Avana murao. You know what? You're gonna have a big fight with Mr. Brown over there. You understand? You're gonna have a big fight with Mr. Brown. And Mr. Brown, I'm going to tell him that this is what John Delinger was saying, and that's not true. Guys, for those who are joining me right now, this is DJ Agemenon on the AfroZim radio right now, and I love to do that when I change genre, like what you always guys love to say, like I always love to say, irregardless. Yes, you can say regardless over there, but me, I say irregardless because I'm going to have to create my own language all of the time, and I love to do that all of the time. This is AfroZim Radio with the DJ Agemenon. You know what, John? You know, like I said, you know what? You're gonna have to fight with Mr. Brown. So good Zanzibar no apetsa hofu. I'm not gonna murao. I would tell Mr. Brown. But you know what? That's a perfect sound. That's something else. That's super, you know. And I love to see Zimbabwean touch with South African touch, and also with Makazi, the lady of the moment, the queen of Africa. And big up to yourself, Makazi. This is DJ Agemenon right now on the AfroZim Radio on Friday, right? This one. And I love to do that. When I switch genre. Most people would want to say genre, but you know what? Okay, I love to say genre. Okay, let's not talk about the accents and stuff like that. So, guys, for those who are joining me right now, like I promised you guys, it's gonna be a different genre with Selected Don Blaze when he comes on the radio today. Like always, as consistent as my sensei has always been. He's the one who taught me how to kick and also do this kung fu stuff, because that's what he said. I'm teaching you kung fu, and that's the discussion that I had with Selected. So with me right now in the studio, right now in the physical form, is John Delinger, and something else that's massive.
Hello world.
Yeah,
Hello, Africa. Love you.
Yes, perfect. Thank you very much. So we're gonna play Mushini Wami from Mr. Brown and Makazi as well, right?
Yes.
That's the one, right? That's the next song.
That's the next song.
So it's good. So we have switched genres, right? Now from dance, so now we're doing the piano. Is that about piano? Or some people would want to call it otherwise, especially if the music is coming from Limpopo. I've heard that.
Scombo.
I've heard that from the circles within ourselves. Like if the music is coming from an artist that is based in what? In Limpopo, they call it otherwise. But anyway, this is perfect sound. We don't care the genre, whatever genre people might classify. We love it so much. Big up to yourself all over the world. This is DJ Agemenon.
Hey, Mr. Brown, you wanna make something sick?
Get my country, yeah. Get to Zuma, yeah. Mr. Brown, yeah. Come shini wami. Get to my country, yeah. Get to Zuma, yeah. Mr. Brown, come shini wami. What's up? Talking, I'm shini, I'm talking, what's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm shit. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm shit. I'm shitting wild. What's up? What's up? What's up? I'm shit. I'm shit. I'm shitting wild. What's up? What's up? What's up? And just turn that one banda. I'm people. I'm tindala. I'm tindiko. Oh, I'm busy. Super bacon. I go on a sofu so clear. I'm banda. I'm people. I'm tindala.
DJ Agemenon.
Break it off, another hot explosive mix.
I'm shit. What's home? I'm solos. I'm a lad. Indo. Then I'm a card. I'm a babe. Get to my cards. Kakati yaona na mulanda yaona. Asambe ngumshini. Asambe ngumshini. Ngumshini wa. ngithi sithanda wangibambala awuhambi khona uthintala awuthinti khona wangibamba i6 uhambe khona hayi wona sivusa ukulele wangibambala awuhambi khona uthintala wangibamba i6 uhambe khona hayi wona sivusa ukulele ngomshini.
You know what, John? This is something else. You know, I love it. I love the fact that you're working with Mr. Brown. You know,
Mr. B, man.
Yeah, that's perfect. So big up to himself, right?
Big up to Lionel.
And the next sound that we're going to play is called Gomo. This is yeah. The good thing is I had to explain to a lot of people already, like over here, like do you know what it means? It's like, how are you going to climb this mountain with these other circumstances that we're going through right now? So there's a lot of embedded message that in the message from Mr. Brown, and I love his production, and I'm happy, and for now, I'm pretty much confident that you'll be here right here
soon.
on the AfroZim radio.
Sure.
In the physical form.
Amen.
In the physical form.
Yeah, he's the son of the
yeah,
soul.
in the physical form. So let's go to Gobo. I love this one.
DJ Agemenon.
Break it off, another hot explosive mix.
that was perfect. John. It's I love the fact that the music is of, Mr. Brown, Mr. B. Big up to yourself, Mr. B. This is DJ Agemenon on the AfroZim radio on a Friday like this one, and I know it's gonna be right here on the radio, and I'll go there. Whatever it takes. That's massive sound. There's a now this sound like Mama told me with Simba CI, right?
Brown's production again.
Bronzy.
That's reggae now. We're going straight.
And
reggae.
this one is a Zimbabwean as well.
Zimbabwean boy too. Simba CI is an awesome man. He travels actually a little.
How many views on this video right now? Like I've seen it. It's got a YouTube.
It's growing because remember Simba is an independent artist, so he's also growing on his own, and he's actually does a lot of shows in Europe, man.
I don't. I know that. I know because he had decided to go international, like DJ Agemenon, myself, it's going international. Because right now, previously today I had Devare, right? That was perfect, and also Barry Dredge, previous interviews today on a Friday like this one. That was massive, those two artists, Rastafari stuff. So I love it when artists from Zimbabwe go international. This is that's the only way, because we need to collaborate with other artists out there. So John, since this is our last sound, anyways, for the AfroZim radio fans all over the world,
big up to all the AfroZim radio folks, man. We love you. We praying for you. Whoever God you pray to that one, because we need to get out of this COVID and try to get a life. So, and also praying for the motherland. For that, it will. We who are actually in the diaspora, we bring the love back home to make it bigger, because that's the energy. So,
I love the energy.
Yeah, we're going home, and eventually we're bringing this energy back home.
No, we will do that. I think
now we're international.
Yeah, I think I've been accused that I've got so much soft spot for you, but the people then they do not understand the relationship that
I mean it's deeper. It's
deeper, and I love the music, and I love the contribution, and I love the ideas that we've been sharing with me, and I'm happy that you are with me right now in my studio with DJ Agemenon on the AfroZim radio on a Friday like
Rastafari.
like that one. That's perfect. So DJ Teddy, trust me. I love you, my brother. Thank you very much. My producer, myself, my sensor selected downless. DJ Nisha, big up to yourself. See, John, that was a lovely show that we had with Elliot Mungaza, and he's coming back on this Sunday, and we have made sure that those glitches that happened, we need to pray. And I love the fact that when it happened, it means that the spirit is moving. Thank you very much, my sister, and big up to yourself. John
Delinger, we love you. All the AfroZim world people, we love you guys.
Thank you very much. So we're gonna finish the show, and after me, Celeste Don Blaze, we're gonna be starting the show from now, and it's gonna be massive, guys. Just tune in. This is massive. This is DJ Agemenon on AfroZim Radio. Like I always love to say, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening to everybody else. And I love to do that all the time because we are international. This DJ Age.
Most high greetings. You best believe. CI.
Hey, Mr. Brown, you wanna make something sick?
I gave you all that I thought you'd never let go. Cause the love was meant for you. Well, she told me that girls like you come and go. I'll never want to feel this way again. My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta. My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta. Da-da-da-ba-ba-da-da. About a tuk-tuk-ta. Da-da-da-ba-ba-da-da. About a tuk-tuk-ta. Tuk-tuk-ta. You are the one that I love.
DJ
Why you keep breaking my
Break it off
heart?
another hot explosive
You are the one
mix.
that I love, but why you keep breaking my heart? You told me you gon' let me not stop. You told me you gon' let me not stop. Yeah, yeah. My heart beats for you, I still love you. Why did you choose to leave me so lonely? My heart beats for you, I still love you. Why did you choose to leave me so lonely? My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta-da. My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta-da. Ta-da-da-ba-ba-da. About a tuk-tuk-ta-da. Ta-da-da-ba-ba-da. About a tuk-tuk-ta-da. Tuk-tuk-ta-da.
I met this girl in the lobby. She told me that she loved me. I was down, she was up to something. I never thought that she gonna leave me. Tell me why you leave me, baby. Oh, I've been giving you my love. Oh, baby, my heart for you is real. Oh, mama told me. My mama told me.
My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta-da.
My mama told me.
My mama did tell me about a tuk-tuk-ta-da.
Chikura kusvika ndiri nasikana. Kubva ndichikura kusvika ndiri nasikana. Kubva ndichikura kusvika ndiri nasikana.
Wow, guys, I think that was massive. You know, just have John Delinger right here on the AfroZim radio. This is DJ Agemenon right now. You know, I love to do that all of the time. You know, bring artists. You know, do things differently all of the time. It's something massive for me and brings a lot of satisfaction. And this artist is something else, you know, from Zimbabwe, all of Zimbabwe, gospel artist. I'm gonna keep on repeating this sound, and I love it. It's coming from Eliata. Oh my God, that's something else. That's perfect, guys. Big up to yourself all over the world. This is DJ Ag. This is DJ Ag. This is DJ Ag. This is DJ Ag.